Did LibreOffice close unexpectedly before you could save your work? Don't panic. LibreOffice may be able to recover unsaved documents using its recovery features or temporary files. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to recover unsaved files in LibreOffice in 2026. So let's get started. First, reopen LibreOffice after the unexpected shutdown or application crash. If document recovery information is available, LibreOffice may automatically display a recovery dialog. If you see your unsaved document listed, don't close the recovery window. If your document appears in the recovery list, select it and choose Start Recovery. LibreOffice will attempt to restore the most recent recovery version of the document. The recovered version may not contain every change you made, so review it carefully. Once the document opens, check the content carefully. Look through the text, images, tables, formulas, and formatting to see how much of your recent work was recovered. Scroll through the entire document if the missing work was especially important. If your work has been recovered, save it immediately. Choose File, then Save As, and give the recovered document a new file name so you don't accidentally overwrite another file. Take a moment to choose a location that's easy to find. And that's how to recover unsaved files in LibreOffice. Reopen LibreOffice, check the document recovery window, restore the available version, save it immediately, and check temporary or backup locations if necessary. Regularly saving your work and keeping backups is still the best way to protect important documents. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.